Here we go with those real world ratio problems where you have three quantities. We are on page 143 in the textbook, and we're looking at guided practice problem number 3. Read along with me. The number of coins collected by Xavier, Johann, and Zachary is in the ratio of 2, 5, and 8. Johann collected 85 coins. So I made a little model here showing that Xavier had 2 units, and then Johann had 5 units, and Zachary had 8 units, and then it told us that Johann had actually 85 coins that he collected. So how many would that be for each one of these units? If he collected 85 for this whole thing right here, what would each unit be? So we are dividing, obviously. We're dividing 85 by 5. And I can do that in my head. I know that that's 17 each. So each one of these boxes, each one of these units is 17. Because 17 5 times makes 85. So the first question says, A, find the number of coins Zachary collected. Well, that would be 17 times 8. And we can do that off to here. 7 times 8 is 56. And that would be 13. So he collected 136 coins. Voila. And then that's A. And then B asks us, find the number of coins collected by the 3 boys all together. So we already know Johann and Zachary. We just got to figure out Xavier. So Xavier is collecting 2 times 17, which of course is 34. And then we just put all their coins together. 85 for Johann. We knew that at the beginning. 136 for Xavier and 34 for Zachary. And then Xavier had 34. So that's 15. Bring up the 1, that's also 15, and that's 2. So altogether, they collected 255 coins.